Friends, here is a question for you, and you already know in the previous class 9 midpoint theorem, the important statement of the midpoint theorem. And as per the midpoint theorem, we know if the line segment joining the midpoint of the two sides of a triangle parallel to third side. Okay, and same concept we are going to prove. This is a statement, this midpoint theorem statement we are going to prove it. Okay, using the concept of the basic proportionality and the converse basic proportionality theorem. Okay, understand, based on the concept of similarity of triangle. Let's see now. Here the statement, all of you know the important statement, prove that the line joining the midpoints of any two sides of a triangle is parallel to third side. Okay, all of you know this is a statement of midpoint theorem. Okay, here is given that in a triangle, understand, let the triangle is ABC. Okay, let AB and AC be the two sides of a triangle. Let E is the midpoint. E is the midpoint of the side AB, and C is the midpoint, and F is the midpoint, and F is the midpoint of the sides AC. Okay, and we joining the point E and F, we shall get a line segment, and this line segment we have to prove that it should be parallel to EF. This is the midpoint theorem, all of you know, right? Yes or no? Okay, so let's see. Now in the triangle it is clearly understand, given that in triangle ABC is the midpoint of the side AB. Okay, that implies AE is equal to PE is equal to half of AB. Yes or no? Similarly, F is the midpoint of which side? Midpoint of side AC. Side AC. AC. Understand? That implies AF is equal to FC is equal to how much? FC is equal to what? AC upon 2. AC upon 2. Right? Okay. To prove, this is what the statement all of you know, midpoint theorem, and EF parallel to BC using the concept of the basic proportional theorem. You have to prove it. Okay, understand? So let's see. It's just another simple problem for you. Easily you can understand. Look at, are you looking here? And given since AB is a triangle and E is the midpoint of AB. Yes or no? So since E is the midpoint of AB, so what happened? AE is equal to AE. AE is equal to what? EB. Why? It is given. Since E is the midpoint. E is the midpoint of AB. So that implies AE upon EB is equal to 1. Will transpose, it will be AE upon EB is equal to 1. This is point number 1. Similarly, again you see F is the midpoint of AC. Since F is the midpoint of AC, so we can write AF is equal to FC. Why? Since F is the midpoint of side AC, of the side AC. So that implies AF is equal to FC, means we can write AF upon FC is equal to 1. Understand or not? This is another point you are getting. Point number 2. Look at here. Look at here. Since from the point 1 and 2 you are getting here A upon EB is equal to 1 and F upon FC is equal to 1. It means AE upon EB is equal to F upon FC. Yes or no? Now look at AE upon EB is equal to F upon FC. So what happened? It's clearly understand according to converse basic proportionality theorem. We are using converse basic proportionality theorem. Yes or no? So according to converse basic proportionality theorem, what is the statement? All of you know. What is the statement? If a line intersects the two sides of a triangle in the same ratio, become parallel to third side. Understand? Since in the triangle ABC, you are getting here AE upon EB is equal to AF upon FC. So EF must be parallel to BC. Can I write or not? Understood? Hence you can write EF parallel to BC. Hence EF parallel to BC. Okay. Understood? Is it clear? So this is another simple concept. How to verify how to prove the midpoint, the statement of the important statement of the midpoint theorem using the concept of the basic proportionality theorem and converse basic proportionality theorem. Okay, understand? Okay, just you follow it, practice it. This is another important problem also, and used to frequently come in your question paper, and just practice it. Very simple problem for you. Okay, I hope you will understand. Thank you. See you.